Here's the thing about Java. It's not that smart. It doesn't even know where to begin unless you tell it. Today, you'll learn the most important method in all of Java. Main, the entry point. And not just how it works, you're going to write your very first Java program using it. Just like any Redstone contraption, whether it's a piston door or a flying machine, it all starts with a signal. Java is no different. No matter how simple or complex your code is, it always begins with one method, main, your program's power switch. If you watched the last video, you'll remember we talked about how Java is built like a Redstone system. It needs a starting point to activate. When you hit run, your code gets compiled, turned into bytecode, and the JVM reads that bytecode starting from the main method. So, what's a method? A method is just a block of instructions, a little machine that performs a task in your code. In this case, main is the first machine that runs, the one the JVM looks for to kick everything off. Let's write your first Java program, the classic Hello World. Quick but important note before we begin. In Java, the file name must match the class name, especially when the class is marked public. So if your class is called a Hello World, the file should also be named helloworld.java. Otherwise, the compiler won't like it. Even when the class isn't public, developers still follow this rule because it keeps everything clean and easy to manage. So matching file and class name is not just a technical requirement, it's also a best practice you'll see everywhere in the Java community. Now, see those curly braces? They define a block of code. Everything inside those braces is part of the method. Don't worry if this looks like a lot of confusing words and symbols. We're going to break it all down and make it easy to understand. This line is how Java talks back to you. Think of it like placing a sign in Minecraft or sending a message in chat. Let's keep going. Public means anyone can access it. Static means it runs without needing to create an object. More on that later. Void means it doesn't return anything. Main, this is the method the JVM looks for. String array args, optional input when the program starts. Those square brackets means this is an array, a list of strings. You don't need to worry about arrays yet. Just know that this is where inputs from the outside world can show up when the program runs. If that didn't all click yet, that's totally fine. Just remember this. Main is your signal, your first logic trigger, your Redstone lever. And that's it. You've just written your first Java program and fired your first Redstone signal into your code. It's simple, but it's the beginning of everything. Next episode, we'll learn how to store data, like placing items in a Minecraft inventory using variables and data types.